So today's project is Crystal Garden. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take everything out. Let's see what we got. What else is in there?
And this some.
So we have this book about crystals, and inside we have instructions how to make our trees. Here we have advice for adult, safety rules, first aid in case something happens, because we are working with chemical here. And then we got instructions. So first, gather your materials. In here we have 5 washable markers, 2 bases, that's where we're gonna put the tree in, 1 bottle of crystal growing liquid, and that's the bottle you want to make sure you're careful with. Your kids and pets are not around this chemical. Then we have 1 evergreen tree and cherry tree in here. There are 2 parts of each tree. One part has a slot at the bottom and the other has slot on the top. So that's how they're gonna get connected. Then you have to pick safe location for your tree to grow where it won't be touched or disturbed. And then we get to color our tree, assemble, and then we'll move to our next step. So let's color. Notice we have 2 trees. One is evergreen and the other one is cherry tree. See, they're different shapes. We're gonna color them and then we're gonna grow crystals on them. Okay?
Yeah. A little.
You can get your creativity out and color as wild as you want. It doesn't have to be one pink, one green. So next step is to separate the tips to spread out the branches. And there is a little cut in between, so we just separate them. Good job. Next step is to assemble the tree. First, you pay attention to these cuts. One that has top cut goes in first, and then the other one kind of sits on top of the first part. Got it?
Yeah. Done.
Good job. Let's do this one.
Yeah. Done. These are 2.
2 trees. Our next step is to pour this liquid.
Yes.
So you're not gonna do it because this is a chemical. Only adults can do it, okay? You get to watch. We have crystal growing liquid, and first step is to pour it just a little bit on top, just to make sure we have crystals growing on top. And then we pour inside of this tray. And 3 hours later, our trees are looking beautiful and they're blooming. Some of the blooms are falling off. I don't know why, but it still looks good. What do you think?
Cool.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was an interesting experiment.
Yeah.
By the way, we also have this rock included. Oh, look at that. Do you see how sparkly it is?
Yeah.
Is that fun?
Yeah.
one side it looks like just a piece of rock, nothing interesting. And then you turn around. We have this book that has interesting facts. What are crystals? Uses for crystals. How do crystals form? Salt mines in Peru. The kind of tree we did. What are geodes? Geodes? I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Very interesting information. Very lovely. Did you like your project?
Yeah.
You get to keep this. Don't lose it. And we are 7 hours later and 9 hours in. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah. That's beautiful.
Some of the pieces fell from this tree, but this one looking gorgeous. This yellow spot is just too cute. So our green turned out bluish, just still cute. Looks like winter wonderland. And this just screams spring.